Hi, in this video, we're going to focus on GeoGebra using plotting points. So GeoGebra is a great tool for students who need that visual representation of graphing. Maybe their manual dexterity is limited, or they just can't visualize the graph using the traditional pencil paper format. And so this application version provides students a little more three-dimensional aspects of graphing that may supplement their learning of the material. So here we have GeoGebra pulled up on our screen. And again, this is a free application within the Google Chrome web store. Now, if a student has problems that they need to solve using graphing, then they could just input those problems into GeoGebra. So for instance, our first problem would be y equals 2x plus 3. And we're inputting this on the left hand of the screen. And once we do that, you'll get a message. So right now, this is not inputted correctly. And so I'm going to have to make an adjustment. So what do? I want to type that again. Y equals 2x plus 3. And as you'll see, there's a diagram. Our line is being plotted. Now to zoom in and zoom out, I'm using my mouse pad, my trackpad. But you can also use your the Move Graphics view, which allows you to move back and forth. Now, say we have another problem that we need to input. Y equals -2. And then we would enter. So again, that's not what we were looking for. And it's great. GeoGebra gives you messages of what you're looking at. So let's try that again. Y equals -2. So here we can see there's an additional line I've entered, and we can see our y equals -2 line. So let's try another one. X equals 3. So now our x equals 3 is going to also be denoted as h, and you can see h here on our axis. And so you'll see here, GeoGebra gives you letter points that you can reference to make sure your equations are being represented. But it also gives you notes when a formula isn't correct. And so that's really good, because if a student is inputting the incorrect formula, they're getting that direct feedback of what needs to be changed. So that's going to complete our video on plotting points and formulas in GeoGebra. Thanks for joining me.